Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Want to enable AirPrint on your Epson printer? For one-on-one assistance, please call us on the number displayed. If you're looking for a step-by-step guide, follow the next steps to AirPrint with your Apple device to the Epson printer. So let's get started. First, we need to connect your printer to the same internet network your Apple device is connected to. Turn on your printer and go to your printer display. Scroll to the Wi-Fi setup option and select it. On the network window, select Wi-Fi option. In the Connect via Wi-Fi, press OK to proceed. Select the Wi-Fi setup wizard. Wait for the printer to search for SSIDs. Once you see the list of available networks, find and select your Wi-Fi network. Now, enter your network password and select OK. After that, wait for the printer to set up. Once the screen displays Setup complete, just press OK. If you're finding this step easy to follow, please subscribe to our channel. If you're facing any other issue with your Epson printer, please tell us in the comments below. Go to your iPhone. Open the document that you want to print. Tap on Share at the bottom. On the next screen, scroll down and tap on Print. On the Options window, make sure your Epson printer shows in the Print section. If the selected printer is correct, check the other settings and tap on Print. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.